may gusto ka bang sabihin sa iyo?
Yes. Thank you. I think both intentional and coincidental then na our choices are tied to our characters. Because ang original premise ng Langit/Lupa, which was originally written by Martina Harris, it was a very short one-act play lang, less than an hour one time. And they are elementary students, high school drama students who are both vying for the role of Maria Clara. Ang ending is ambiguous, walang music at all. So, since my experience na si Camille sa pag-direct ng Langit Lupa, it was also suggested to her that what if she'll also work with this piece in her thesis, but she'll be needing a partner. Ako naman at that time, namamroblema pa ako na, gusto ko mag-musical pero sobrang budget ng musical, tapos mag-isa lang ako, paano na yan? And then, an angel came down from heaven and then approached me and asked, "Sis, do you have a partner already? Do you want to partner for a thesis?" And then I read the script and I was like, go. Very, very Julia and Addie yung kaya natin to. And so, we went through a long process, including the table work and the script work. We had a new playwright. Her name is Mara Capara. She's not here with us today, but she is the one who adapted this play into a musical adaptation. She's also the lyricist, so she composed the lyrics while Hans composed the music. And the rest is history. I hope that answered your question.